Do you think getting a reverse mortgage means the bank owns your home or your family is going to be left with nothing? Let's bust all the biggest myths around reverse mortgages and see what's actually true. Hey, I'm Josh, and I help homeowners and their families understand the complexity of reverse mortgages and if they're right for you. Today, I'm exposing all of the reverse mortgage myths so you can make an educated decision about obtaining a reverse mortgage. If you've ever contemplated or done research or really even thought about a reverse mortgage, you've probably heard something along the lines of, you'll lose your home, you're gonna saddle your kids with debt. It's really only for people that are desperate for cash. Most of this totally wrong, but unfortunately, it stops people from utilizing this financial tool that will help them live a better retirement. The number one myth I see and hear is the bank owns your home. I'm going to tell you that this is going to be the number one myth you see when you do any sort of research about reverse mortgages, and it's just plain wrong. This is a traditional mortgage and you stay on title. You own that deed to the property. You just now have a mortgage against the property that the lender owes. They don't own the property itself. They own the mortgage that will have to be paid back eventually. The second myth is you're gonna leave your family with debt. Reverse mortgages are non-recourse. This means your family is not responsible for that debt. The house is going to pay for that reverse mortgage, even if it's dropped in value over the course of having that mortgage. Number three, you lose the ability to give the house to your heirs. The fact around this is your heirs and your family can actually inherit the house, which they will. They just have to pay back the reverse mortgage that is associated to that home, whether it be through a refinance, selling the house outright, or just walking away. It's their choice and ultimately it's up to them, but they do have that option to obtain that property after everything is said and done. Fourth myth I hear, you have to take all of your equity out. That is just untrue. You actually have a few different options to take the amount of equity that you need to start out with, whether it be a lump sum, monthly payments, or a credit line to utilize during that term of a reverse mortgage. The fifth myth I hear are reverse mortgages are a last resort option. For many seniors, this is actually a beneficial program that is going to boost their retirement to allow them to live a better life up until they pass. It's a great program that gives them access to that equity that they've worked so hard to build over their course of the years without having to worry about a monthly payment. In conclusion, reverse mortgages aren't scary, they are just complex. There's a lot of myths around them, but we're here to bust them and shed light on the complexity of reverse mortgages. If you have questions, please comment down below. If you enjoyed this video, if it was helpful in any way, please like and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.